my little artists. Guess what? Today we're gonna meet the most adorable and twirly ballerina ever. It's Ballerina Cappuccina. She spins, she dances, and she loves cappuccino cupcakes. Yum! I'm so excited to color her with you, and wait until you see the surprise at the end. So don't go anywhere. Stay with me till the last sparkle. And hey, I really want to see your drawings too. Send them on Instagram, Facebook, or email. All the links are in the description. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Let's get started. It's showtime, ballerinas! If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Now it's time to start coloring. Stick around till the end. The colors are going to be so beautiful. Let's make some magic with our crayons and brushes. Oh, yes, let's make some magic. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. So much fun. I loved coloring with you. Don't forget, I really want to see your amazing drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the links are in the description below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what we draw next. Bye! See you super soon with more colorful surprises. Bye!